So, here we are, ready to do day 2 of Advent of Code. Guess we should quickly reflect on day 1, uh, which, it was trivial, but it kind of took me twice as long as it should have. So, let me see. Didn't save the input as a text file, so we can do better on that. Stupidly, I forgot that the initializer for an int return an optional if it was from a string, which makes perfect sense. But just to remember that. On the positive side, I think that this lines library function was just what was called for, so that went fine. Um, I'm I'm used to using Vim for all my text editing, and it's much faster. And there are like a handful of things. Just F to get to a particular character. Horizontal navigation in a line is really quick in Vim once you know what you're doing. And I'm trying to get used to using native Mac apps because I'm doing Xcode a lot these days, and I'm awkward in it. So I figure I might as well. I'm trying to stay away from Vim. So I'll still be using BBEdit, but that's actionable. I can review the text bindings and I can get better at that. I also, when I was programming, I got all the operators wrong, equals, greater, less. But to be honest, that's kind of how this goes. You just try and get something down really quickly without thinking about it, and so I don't feel terribly bad about that. This is also my first experience making these videos, so let's just see. Oh, we got 2 minutes. We're fine. I got to remember to upload the things more quickly. And also, all the text on my screen was unreadable in that first video I tried. So I have made all my fonts comically large, and we'll see whether that is any more legible. Also, I don't listen to my voice very often, and when I hear it, it's terrible. But I think most people feel that way. So, anyway. We got a minute left. I should say, this silly little support library that I'm running, this trivial one, I just added a queue class to it, which I actually had mixed feelings about, because it's a node-based queue, and you can write a node-based queue in literally 2 minutes. And in that sense, it shouldn't really be in the library, because you should be able to do that yourself. But on the other hand, most languages have a queue available, and Swift, as far as I know, doesn't. So I guess you shouldn't even waste the 2 minutes it takes to build that. But the main reason I built it is because that's a useful data structure for doing things like breadth first search and yada yada yada. And of course, the right thing to do is to actually build one that's not node based. You want a double-ended queue. And I haven't built that, and I don't know if I will, because the right way to do it is to use manage buffer and do in-place initialization and everything. And I'm not quite sure how to do that in Swift. I know it in C++. But anyway, let's get down to seeing what day 2 has to offer us. 10 seconds. Here we go. Have a function that will regular expression things. So let's try this. And that's going to give us a bunch of things. So let's just do that. Case could have actually unpacked the number outside the switch, but yeah, because we're underwater, so it's all upside down, isn't it? That was instinctive and not just an error that I was doing. I don't even know, is this the syntax in Swift for doing these things? Let's find out. No, it is not. Ooh, my, okay. That's on line 30. Oh, we're not doing so badly. Thing is, my regular expression library takes all these things as optionals, or returns all of the captures as optionals, because not all captures actually get captured. Switch up. Fine. That'll get us there. Now what's not wrong? Oh, we don't have any input, do we? Let's remember to save this as text, right? Page source. Yeah. Now. Oh, yeah, because... So what am I actually doing here? After horizontal and depth. Yep. Horizontal and what do you get? Multiply by your final depth. Okay, so print X and Y are bad variable names here, but I know what they mean, so let's see if that's the right answer. It is. I might have made the leaderboard, maybe? Let's see. Okay. Okay. Down. I really should have extracted this number somewhere else. Up decreases aim. Oh, this is where I should use my key commands instead of just arrowing over. Forward. Oh, and it looks like... How do you just open a new line? I don't know. It's ugly. Okay, so I think we're not supposed to be doing that. So forward increases your depth by, okay, y plus equals... I forgot all those things. Times name. Okay. We forgot those. Now what? Didn't think so. But we're close. Where is that? 15? Yeah, there we go. We should have really extracted that number outside all these things. Well, there's always a chance that this is correct, so you might as well just plug it in. Nope. Okay. Calculate horizontal and depth. We got multiply. Okay, so let's read this more carefully. Down increases aim. Up decreases aim. Forward increases X. What is this? That's just stupidity. Okay. I wonder if we have exhausted our 1 minute wait time now. No, we have 9 seconds. So let's 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8. Okay. So we finished. I thought my times there were fairly good. Still nowhere near the top, though. How did I do? Personal stats. Here we go. Right. Really? Still barely the top 2,000? You other folks are really good. What can I say? Well, anyway, we did day 2. So, I'll see you to reflect on this and then do day 3 tomorrow. See ya.